Helicopter parenting, good or bad? The phrase helicopter parenting is used to describe parents who hover over their kids at all times, ready to step in at a moment's notice to keep their children safe. I believe helicopter parenting can be a good thing for younger children. However, others think that helicopter parents create conditions that make it difficult for their kids to succeed. Our job as parents is to protect our kids and give them the tools they need to both survive and succeed in the real world. We all want our kids to grow up to be productive members of society. No one wants to be the parent who suffocates the kids. Our role is to protect them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and when they first come into the world, and then gradually ease off, giving them more and more freedom and responsibility as they prove ready for the task. And while kids fight for more freedom, it is ultimately up to the parents to decide what they're ready to handle on their own. We all look down on parents who are not involved enough with their kids, who don't spend enough time teaching them. The danger with helicopter parents is when they don't allow their own kids to make decisions to keep themselves safe. Those are the kids who grow up to be kids and able to make good choices and unable to protect themselves from their own stupidity.